In which case, there are two
The
applications.
rescue soul, the application for rescue soul.
Execution. In your application.
My own application. When I was worried the time of the proceedings. At times used to proceed until 10 p.m., 8 p.m. When it's dark, we're using torches. But now I've seen a circular from the CJ that we may, you have the authority of proceeding beyond working hours. You know, I was worried. I didn't know which instructions you had when you were proceeding at night. So in that consultation time I needed with my lawyers, maybe we might come with a different solution.
I thought you were saving the court's time.
So maybe we might save the court's time and proceed with the case after consulting to my lawyers. Maybe the only problem that will be there, Your Honor, I think you are forgetting. You have handled them. I've appeared before you as a complainant. And that time you ruled against me.
You are now responding to this application.
Oh, okay. So, just on the record, last point, why I was emotional. While I was at the DCS office, after being served the summons in this court, the officers asked me to withdraw an affidavit and file in the High Court against one Christina Pratt, who is the president's sister. Then when I refused, they framed up those assault charges. So for the record of the court, it's very important to know that. Thank you, Your Honor.